Hi, we have an interesting patient here in the sense that his issue is primarily on his left side. So we're good with the right side. The left side though, as you can see, if you were to draw where the areola, the nipple is, you can see that this one is much lower. It's actually falling off of the pec. So we need to get the nipple back onto the pec, but he actually has really relatively small areola, so I don't have big incisions to work with. So what the plan is going to be is to actually remove as much skin as I can by doing a crescent excision on both the top and the bottom. And the excision on the top is going to actually elevate the nipple a little bit. We may need to repeat that in the future. And then finally, I don't want to remove all the volume in his chest because I want to make sure it matches his side and I don't want it to deflate.